Living without technology would make everyday life much harder. Communicating would take longer because I would have to use letters or landline phones instead of texting or video calls. Learning would also be difficult since I couldn't use online resources or watch educational videos. And I have to rely on only on books and attending classes in person. Getting around would be tricky without GPS. So I'd need use maps or ask people for directions. Even entertainment would be limited to reading books, listening radio, or watching DVDs. Technology helps make life easier, faster, and more convenient, and without it, everything would take more time and effort.